what do you expect the plastic industry to pan out in the next 5 years?
Well, right now the total polymer consumption in India is 8 to 10 million tons. It's less in some years per year. It's less in some years and more in some years. And the plastic industry projects that it will be doing about 20 million tons by the year 2020.
All right. What's your expectations from TVI? Probably, as you have seen the halls and the stalls. Next year, what should we be doing to improve our position?
Well, I think it's held on once in 3 years. There won't be a next year, I think.
Next edition.
Next edition. See, like any other event of this nature, this is basically to promote business and to build the brands and to make networks, business networks with people from the plastics fraternity in India and abroad. Plus, of course, promote awareness of plastics as one of the essentials of modern life. And this time I'm very happy to see that they have a dedicated stall for reprocessing. This time they have got a very dedicated stall for reprocessing. It was very encouraging and heartening to see that.
All right. So, sir,
certainly generating business, generating exports, growing the technology, making it accessible. I mean, like the same exhibition of machines were to be held in, let's say, Germany.
Right.
It is held there. We'll have to spend a lot more to go and see the machinery in Germany. You can see it here and maybe buy it here.
all right. So, sir, the plastic parks in India, how has the response been so far?
The response has been very encouraging. Already we are completely sanctioned 2 plastic parks. One is in Raisen district in Madhya Pradesh and one is in near Paradeep in Odisha. And the response is very encouraging. There are a lot of proposals, but we'll have to see it in relation to the funds.
Okay, so the technology upgradation support that we can get from the government.
The technology upgradation, right now we are in discussion with the industry associations. There is nothing final as yet. In fact, there are some schemes existing. There is a scheme called the CLUSS of the Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises. So if we can tie in with that, that's a quick way of doing it. But we still have to discuss with the industry associations. And in fact, the meeting is scheduled later today.
So the last question, the information need gap in this industry, especially the values that we are creating, it should be made viral to the world. Then only it will have a spiral. What do you think? What's your vision for making sure that every value that is created should be spoken to the world? How ideally you would want India to be projected when it comes to plastics?
I think the industry associations are doing a real fine job on it. Particularly ICMA. They are doing a very fine job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.